Delve deeper into the world of AI-driven content creation and explore how individuals can leverage innovative tools and platforms to build profitable businesses from the ground up. We take a comprehensive look at every step of the process, from quiz content creation to effective monetization, providing insights and strategies for success along the way. Uncovering the power of AI in content creation. In today's digital age, content is king. From social media posts to blog articles to video content, the demand for engaging and informative material is greater than ever. However, creating high-quality content takes time and effort. So many aspiring YouTubers are looking for more efficient solutions. The advent of artificial intelligence, AI. With recent advances in machine learning and natural language processing, AI-powered tools are revolutionizing the way content is generated, allowing creators to produce large amounts of material in a short amount of time. And nowhere is this more evident than in the area of quiz content creation. Chapter 1. The Rise of Quiz Content on TikTok. TikTok is a hugely popular social media platform known for short-form video content and a breeding ground for quiz enthusiasts. The YouTuber leverages the platform's vast user base and avid audience to produce quiz videos that entertain, educate, and inspire. But what makes these quiz videos different, and why are they so successful? At the heart of viral quiz videos is compelling content. Creators use AI-powered tools like ChatGPT to generate quizzes tailored to specific interests and demographics. Whether it's pop culture trivia, historical facts, or niche topics like language learning, TikTok has a quiz for everyone. And with the platform's built-in sharing and discovery features, these videos can reach millions of viewers within days of publication. But the real magic happens when a creator monetizes quiz content through her TikTok advertising program. By meeting the platform's monetization requirements, such as reaching 10,000 followers and adhering to community guidelines, creators can earn a significant amount of money by running ads on their videos. And with her TikTok's new ad monetization platform, where she pays high ad rates for every minute of her videos, her earning potential is higher than ever. Chapter 2. Diversifying income streams with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing offers a viable alternative for creators who don't have access to TikTok's advertising program. By partnering with platforms like ClickBank, developers can earn from commissions by recommending products related to their niche. There are numerous opportunities to generate passive income in this environment, from language learning courses to ebooks and various digital products. However, successful affiliate marketing relies on targeted advertising and audience engagement. Creators must carefully select products that match their audience's tastes and create engaging content that drives conversions. Through in-depth product reviews, how-to guides, sponsored recommendations, and more, YouTubers can use quiz videos not only for entertainment, but also to increase affiliate income and thereby expand their income streams. This symbiotic relationship between developers, platforms, and products embodies the dynamic potential of affiliate marketing in the digital environment. Chapter 3. Harnessing the power of AI for content creation. At the core of every successful quiz video is a combination of engaging and insightful content. This synergy is grounded in his AI-powered tools like ChatGPT and Canva, which allow creators to create engaging experiences for their audiences. ChatGPT allows creators to seamlessly create quizzes tailored to specific topics and difficulty levels, helping their content resonate with their audience on a deeper level. But the journey doesn't end with questions. YouTubers must skillfully translate these questions into visually appealing videos that captivate their viewers. That's where Canva comes in, with its user-friendly interface and rich templates that allow creators to easily incorporate magic into their visual stories. From customized backgrounds to dynamic animations and immersive sound effects, Canva allows creators to explore endless creative possibilities to bring their content to life. By leveraging the combined power of ChatGPT and her Canva, creators can transform quiz videos from simple questions into immersive experiences that leave a lasting impression on viewers and foster deeper engagement and connections. Chapter 4. Monetizing quiz content like a pro. However, creating engaging quiz content is only half the battle. Quiz. To truly succeed in the content creation field, creators need to master the art of monetization. Besides the appeal of the TikTok advertising program, there are countless opportunities to be explored, such as affiliate marketing and other revenue sources. But successfully monetizing requires more than just creating content and publishing it with hope. Creators must carefully develop a comprehensive strategy that leverages their unique strengths and resonates with their target audience. Through targeted advertising campaigns, strategic partnerships, innovative product placement, and more, creatives must continually evolve and adapt to stay ahead in an ever-changing digital landscape. By taking an aggressive monetization approach, developers can unlock the full potential of quiz content and transform it from mere entertainment to a profitable business venture. With creativity, tenacity, and strategic vision, developers can confidently navigate the complexities of monetization and turn their passion for quiz content into a sustainable source of income. Seize the quiz content creation opportunity. In summary, the quiz content creation field offers an unparalleled opportunity for aspiring developers to build a successful business from the ground up. His AI-driven tools and platforms such as TikTok allow creators to create engaging content that not only captivates their audience, but also generates significant revenue. However, success in creating quiz content goes beyond mere coincidence and requires strategic foresight, creativity, and the ability to adapt to navigate an ever-evolving landscape. So for anyone who wants to seize this moment and embark on his journey as a quiz content creator, now is the time to act. With the right tools, strategy, and mindset, the possibilities are endless in this dynamic and rapidly growing industry. So why the hesitation? Take advantage of this opportunity to be creative and make your mark. The world is waiting to hear from you. With determination and perseverance, you can carve a niche in the competitive world of quiz content creation and turn your passion into a profitable venture. So seize this moment and let your imagination fly. The future is in your hands.